Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see swipe up. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. After click on do not disturb, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app and click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device and you will see here showing you update app. So if you want to update app, so you will see select app from here. After select app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on apps and click on app management. Scroll down and search messenger app from here. Click on messenger app and click on storage usage. Click on clear cache. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.